A journey that inspires. Thank you from the heart. To the team at Alma Resort Cam Ranh, Zazen Travel wants to express our deepest gratitude for your incredible support. Having you choose our tours, the cooking class tour, and the cultural and heritage tour for your recent US fam trip was a true honor. Zazen Travel strives to create unforgettable experiences for every traveler, and knowing you entrusted Zazen Travel with showcasing Vietnam's magic to your valued travel agents means the world to Zazen Travel. To Joyce, Michael, Yvonne, Kathy, and Eliel, your glowing reviews of Zazen Travel's tours have filled our hearts with immense joy. Your kind words are not just a testament to our dedication, but a powerful motivator that inspires us to keep exceeding expectations. Zazen Travel is truly grateful for the time you spent with us, for engaging in our tours with such enthusiasm, and for sharing your positive experiences. Together we can show the world the beauty and wonder of Vietnam. Thank you Alma Resort Cam Ranh for your partnership, and thank you, Joyce, Michael, Yvonne, Kathy, and Eliel, for your incredible feedback. Review by Joyce, Michael, Yvonne, Kathy, and Eliel. Thanks Zazen Travel for your time, love, passion about your country Vietnam. And thanks Zazen Travel so much for your wonderful hospitality and guiding us to see your beautiful country. Through your eyes, I fell in love with your country Vietnam. At Zazen Travel, we don't just offer tours, we create unforgettable memories. Thank you for choosing us, for letting us be a part of your journey. Zazen Travel, your gateway to Vietnam.